yes, it indicates 20 to 31.
Pero ang mismong liquidation, kung saan nyo inilakip yung certification na yan, ang period na sakop ay December 21 hanggang December 31 lamang.
31.
Tama.
Yes, based on the documents that were
So in
submitted.
short, may 1 day na covered ng certification na hindi covered ng liquidation. Tama ba?
If you will base it, ma'am, based on my understanding, if you will base it on the liquidation report, merong isang araw.
Merong isang araw. Thank you. Your Honor, may I just have 1 minute, Your Honor, to
Please, counsel, take your salabat, counsel.
salamat ka.
You may also do the same, Mr. Antonio. Yes, sir.
Mga kapamilya, magbibigay dahil po muna kami sa ilang mga paalala. Oras po natin, 1:35.
Oras hatid sa inyo ng Department of Health. Bawat buhay, mahalaga. Mga balitang kumpirmado, sigurado. Easy.
Nabalikan natin yung sulat ninyo dated November 30, 2023.
In consideration for the safe implementation of various projects and activities under the good governance.
Pero hindi sinabi dito na the confidential funds were specifically used for identification of areas for program implementation.
Based on the letter request, ma'am, there's no specific explanation.
The explanation given was in fact for the safe implementation of COVID initiatives and confidence building.
Yes,
Tama ba?
based on the letter request, ma'am, that's the wordings that were indicated.
And also, if you will refer to the physical and financial plan that you subsequently submitted to the DBM, sinabi nyo pa, ilagay nyo, sinaan nyo sa physical target, number of identified areas with surveillance conducted and monitored. Diba?
If we will base it in the document, ma'am, yes.
So in short, kahit hindi nakalagay ang bilang, meron ng mga identified areas. May mga lugar nang natukoy sa physical and financial na. Tama ba?
Ma'am, I cannot directly answer, ma'am, if there were identified areas already when the ESP was crafted, ma'am.
Okay. So punta na lang tayo ngayon sa August 22, dun sa dating August 22, 2022 letter na inamin mo nga, as early as July 1, 2022, meron ng 7 satellite office na naitalaga. Bacolod, Cebu, Dagupan, Davao, Surigao, Tacloban, Zamboanga. Tama ba?
Yes, based on the letter that we submitted.
And in that same letter, naglaki pa kayo ng Annex A na parehong sulat ng actual na beneficiaryo ng medical assistance linggo-linggo mula unang linggo ng July 22 at sa masusunod panahon. Tama ba?
Yes, this is the projection that we submitted.
At nakalimpag din sa item 3 ng same letter na yan na 3 pang karagdagang satellite office ang augmentation ng libreng sakay ng OVP food truck at Peace 911 sa Marawi. Tama ba?
Yes, that's indicated in item number 3 for the additional positions.
Okay, so even before the confidential funds were released or bago pa mailabas ang confidential funds, meron na kayong mga na-identify na paglalagyan ng mga satellite offices. Tama ba?
Yes, there were plans already
And pag-roll outan ng mga programa ng OVP.
for
Tama ba?
activities.
Dahil sa November 30, 2023 letter din ninyo, sinabi nyo, and I quote, the OVP opens exploratory talks on the surveillance activities to be conducted and identified information agents to be engaged. The OVP built its information database and established a network of information agents. As such, when the requested confidential funds was released on December 13, 2022 through SARO BLP-C-22-001-2004, the OVP was able to finalize definitive
Anong araw po
agreements
ba kuya ang track ban?
and
Hindi po,
obligations
wala pong
based
truck
on
ban
the
po.
plan. End of
Ah,
quote.
walang track ban?
Daanan po talaga ng truck po.
Nilarawan ninyo sa sulat na yan ang exploratory talks, tama ba?
Lalo na, Bernardo
Yes,
kuya.
this is based on the information from our security officer.
Sinabi niyo rin, information agent na identified kasama ng information database, network of information agents, tama ba?
Yes, as provided by our security officer.
Again, wala ni isa man dito ang nabanggit sa August 2022 confidential fund request. Tama ba?
Based on the initial request, no information indicated.
At wala rin kahit aliman dito ang lumalabas sa PFP for 2022. Tama ba?
When you say, you mean ma'am yung
Items. These words. Information database, network information agents, identified agents, wala kahit anuman.
yes,
Lumalabas.
ma'am. Based on the document presented earlier, ma'am, no such wordings, ma'am.
Hindi rin kayo nakilahok sa supposed exploratory talks na ito. Nasay din lamang ito kung anong inireport sa inyo. Tama ba?
I had no participation, ma'am, because on matters of security, ma'am, that is not my expertise, ma'am. So this is from our security officer.
In the same letter, Sir mentioned, in the letter, pinanggit nyo rin finalized definitive agreements.
Yes.
Pero wala kayong isang isinabit na kahit isang definitive agreement, kahit isa sa mga definitive agreements na inyong tinutukoy dito sa inyong November 30, 2023 letter. Tama ba?
Ma'am, when you pertain to definitive agreements, ma'am, you mean documented agreements, ma'am?
Yes. Definitive. Kasi para maging definitive agreement, kailangan candid doon. Ibig sabihin, nakasulat siya.
Ma'am, in terms of any documentation or documented agreements, ma'am, there were no documents that were
Ilan mo
provided,
sa
ma'am.
bababa mo yun.
And as to how agreements were made on the ground, ma'am, again, I cannot provide any information.
Bibigyan ko ng tutorial o chocolate.
You will confirm
Wala, dito tayo pinapadaan?
Opo, kuya. Two-way po yan eh.
Wala oh, hindi tayo to siya.
The drawdown of the check noong December 20, 2020.
Diba? Ayaw mo ba?
Itong araw lamang ang naglapos. Ang posisyon ba ng inyong opisina sa loob ng 7 araw ngayon, finalize ninyo ang definitive agreement sa supposed nationwide network ng mga ahente na inyong ilagit sa inyong
Hindi
letter.
naman siyang gumanon agad
Ma'am,
dun
as to
oh.
the, how the agreements were
Gusto niya pumukit na
finalized
agad.
or made, ma'am, that I cannot
Naghahabol ng
provide an
U-turn, eh, wala
answer,
namang
ma'am.
U-turn dyan, di
Yes,
ba?
those were done
Wala nga kuya,
within
pero
the
minsan
7-day
kasi
period.
umaano kagad sila dun eh.
Oo.
Sa kaliwaan, bawal naman dun.
Bawal
The
naman.
first time,
Hindi
you
kasi
also denied that the 2022 confidential funds were spent in just 11 days. And your explanation was, and I quote, on December 20, 2022, a cash advance for confidential fund was done to facilitate payment. Please take note of these words. For the obligations already incurred. Hence, the 125 million confidential funds were fully utilized for expenses planned, implemented, and paid for during the 3-month period, October to December 22, and not within mere 11 days, as what the audit observations they have suggested. End of quote.
Ah, pwedeng sa kanto na lang?
Support.
Pwede.
Kuya?
Pwedeng dito na lang?
Ay,
sa
saan ka
kanto.
dadaan, kuya? Diyan din yung ano mo daan. Saan ka lalabas, kuya?
Doon sana eh. Diretso
Ay,
na
mas
sana ako
masikip
doon.
dyan, kuya.
Meron din kasi akong pick up doon.
Ay, may pick up ka?
Oo.
Oh, sige, dito na lang, kuya.
Pwede pa?
Oo,
Dito.
okay lang. Sige. Kuha mo na lang kami dyan. Dito na lang?
Ah, sige po. Thank you po.
Okay na yan.
Opo.
Thank you.
Salamat po. God bless po.
Quote unquote already incurred.
Sige po.
Thank you, kuya.
Ibig sabihin,
Ayan, so na-drop na natin sila. Maraming salamat po sa panonood.
ang pera, tama ba?
Hanggang sa muli po, ingat at God bless. Paalam po muna.
Specifically say, ma'am,
Pansamantala
because,
tayo ay
research
gagawa ng
on the
video
ground,
sa ating
ma'am,
susunod
is
na
I
aksyon.
have no,
Ano po muna po samantala.
personal knowledge.
This is Jam, the Filipino channel. Ang inyong lingkod. Paalam
Yes,
po.
ma'am. Again, ma'am, the information, ma'am, came from the information from our security officer.